on a bus with some other men from my town, and we head for the plant where we were. Ever since construction started on the LNG installation, there have been more things happening in my town than ever before.
I'm Rostiani. I'm 26 years old, and I live in Lhokseumawe. Every morning, I get on a special bus with some other women from town, and we go to our jobs at the plant. It's wonderful going to work with so many of my friends.
I'm Mohammed. I work and live at the LNG plant. This makes me a little luckier than my friends who work with me. I can sleep a half hour longer every morning. My job means spending much time away from my family, since my home is so far from the plant. But it's as if I'm going to work at a pepper garden. My family understands.
After the workday is done, we leave the plant and go home. Although we work at one of the most modern LNG plants in the world, we are still Achenese. We love our land and our families. We believe in our customs, for nothing could make us forget our heritage or turn us away from the word of God.